everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got some more cleaning motivation for you guys. Today's video is going to be a clean with me. You guys can clean along with me as I'm cleaning throughout my whole house, room by room. And today's video is going to be a little bit different. Instead of doing a voiceover, I'm just going to be talking to the camera periodically throughout the video. There'll be music and then I'll talk to the camera for a little bit just to let you guys know what I'm doing. We've got two little helpers. I don't know how much this one's going to be helping. So we're going to get straight into this cleaning this morning. I hope that you guys enjoy. Dishwasher all emptied out here. It's Kyle's job to always empty out the spoons and the forks. That's his chore. And you guys are always asking me, how long does my cleaning take? I always get that question in every single video. So I'll try to start sharing with you guys how long the cleaning takes. And honestly, it varies just how much I have to stop cleaning and take care of the kids. So right now it's currently 8:54. Only cleaning that we've done so far this morning is to empty the dishwasher. So we got started at about 8:45. Step in cleaning the kitchen is to get all of these dishes washed that I have piled up here, and I'm going to be using Miss Meyer's dish soap to wash the dishes, and I have the dish soap in this cute pump glass spray bottle from Grove Collaborative. And Grove Collaborative does have an awesome deal going on for the month of February, so if you are a new customer and you make a minimum purchase of $20 or more, you will get Miss Meyer's hand soap, Miss Meyer's dish soap, Seedling paper towels, Seedling bath tissue, Grove Walnut scrubber sponges, free shipping, and a VIP trial. You will get all of that for free with your first purchase. All you have to do is click the link down below in the description box. So this deal will be going on for the whole month of February, and it's currently 9:04. We're doing pretty good with getting this kitchen cleaned up. Okay, the whole kitchen is clean except now the countertops need to be wiped off, and before I wipe off my countertops, I always use some type of all-purpose spray. If you let it sit on there for a little bit and then wipe your countertops down, it's so much easier to get the spots and stuff off your counter. So I'm going to be using Miss Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. This is in the lemon verbena scent. now it is 9:42 and the kitchen is all clean. It took a little bit longer than I thought. Had to stop to give the boys a snack and stuff. But still, it was pretty messy, so it did take a while. All I have to do in here now is clean the floor, but I'll wait till last to do that. This dryer's got some clothes in it that need folded, so we're gonna work on that next. Made my bed and now I'm going to clean up the bathroom, and usually our bathroom sink is pretty tidy because we usually put stuff away when we're done using it, put it back where it goes in the drawers. If you keep your bathroom drawers organized, then it's easier to keep your countertop clean because you can just put stuff back in its spot after you're done using it. I'm going to be using the Method all-purpose cleaning wipes to quickly wipe off the countertop and the toilet. it's 11:38 and I would have been done cleaning by now, but I had to take a break for a while to get Kyle outside. I had to get Owen fed. I had to get myself some lunch cooking. So I had to take a little break for a little while, but now I'm back to the cleaning and I'm going to do some vacuuming in here. 12:20 right now, and I just finished all of my cleaning, and it's because I had to stop again to do something with the kids and a couple other things for a couple minutes. So yeah, I just now got done with the cleaning, and that's why I guess I never really share how long it takes me to clean, because I can never clean for just like a few hours straight. I'm always stopping constantly to take care of the kids and feed them or start supper or just whatever is going on. And if you have kids, you can relate. You can't clean for a couple hours straight without stopping unless the kids are sleeping or they aren't home. So that is just life with kids. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this cleaning video and it gave you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration, and that you're able to clean along with me. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this type of cleaning video where I just talk to the camera every once in a while instead of doing a voiceover. If you guys like these types of videos, then I will just try to switch them up in between voiceover type videos for those who like the voiceover. If you're new here, hit that red subscribe button down below and click the bell beside of it to get notified every time that I upload a new video. Also, head over and follow me on my Instagram if you're not already. My Instagram name is Hannah's Happy Home. I'll have it come up here on the screen. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!